2023 BMW M2 walk-around video shows the baby M inside and out. If you can't get enough of the BMW M2, you're in the right place, as this new video shot in South Africa gives us a tour of the G87 with a manual gearbox. The rear-wheel drive sports coupe was filmed at the local launch during the M Fest 2022, where the baby M was showcased in Zandvoort Blue, a new shade introduced with the second-generation M2. Right off the bat, we notice this 2023 BMW M2 has at least 3 optional features. Starting at the front, it has heavily tinted headlights courtesy of the Shadowline upgrade. The glossy black roof will be an alternative to the more expensive lightweight carbon panel that should lower the vehicle's center of gravity a bit for better handling. Inside, those carbon bucket seats borrowed from the M3, M4 will also cost extra. Overall, this pre-production prototype looks tame if you compare it to the M2 revealed a few days ago with the full array of M performance parts.